Last time we did shoulder, this time we're doing elbow. The elbow, as we think about it, is actually two joints. And the two joints that we're dealing with are the joint formed by distal humerus is going to meet up with proximal ulna, aka olecranon process. This is the head of the humerus, which means it's proximal, closer to the origin of the upper limb, or the limb in general. That's what proximal means. Distal means it's farther away from the origin of that limb. So if this is my humerus, this is anterior, anatomical position. This is the anterior aspect of my distal humerus, and this is the proximal portions of my radius and my ulna. So you can see how the head of the radius looks like the top of a nail. And the cool things that can happen here, and I'm going to turn it to the side now so that you can see this thing, which is the olecranon process of our ulna. See, there's the radius, there's the ulna. See this fossa right in here? That's our olecranon fossa, shallow indentation for the process. Ulna and distal humerus is actually a hinge joint, like a door. This is the door here. You can only open it and close it. Open it and close it. That's a hinge. It goes in two directions. That's it. It's not going to go, your door's not going to go whoop. All of a sudden, it doesn't do that. It doesn't go whoop. It just opens and closes. Unless you have some weird Tesla futuristic car, maybe it does go whoop, and it opens, and that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about normal doors. So when I flex the forearm, I close the distance between the humerus and the forearm bones. This is flexion of the forearm at the elbow. Extension, flexion. When I extend the forearm, I increase the distance between the humerus and the forearm bones. This is extension of the forearm at the elbow. It goes into that fossa when you extend. Extension done by triceps brachii. Flexion done by biceps brachii and brachialis. Don't forget brachialis. Radial nerve, musculocutaneous nerve. That is flexion and extension at the elbow.